number 2. Lele number 3. Lele number 4.
Anya, is that bacon one good?
I didn't get to the bacon yet.
Is the stuff on the bottom the...
Yeah, it's the lychee jelly. And then look, you could wait. Yeah.
Like your birthday is like snow activities. Last year sledding, this year ice skating, like cold winter activities.
Smile. Yeah, for you.
Oh, I can't always smile. Don't smile. I literally do it in Ukraine when I was talking to him. He was saying that like for his generation, when he like remembers memories.
Yeah.
And like photos, it's like they only print out the best of the best photos.
Take another sip.
So it's just like too sweet. I think I'll like it, but I don't like sugar.
Here.
Isn't that like not what you would have expected?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take this lid off.
No, don't take the lid off.
I'll get you a straw. Don't take it off.
Wow, that's so weird.
Yeah.
What?
Second sip's better.
Wow, that's so weird.
Yeah.
You don't, it's not all you're expecting.
Is this?
Oh, I don't care.
Is it this one?
No, but you
I'll drink it.
it's not
Do
their
stuff
fault.
like that.
Like people don't understand.
I just wanted to try one winter melon. No.
Who was I with? Was that with Sophia? She's there like HRing with her mom. What is she?
Gotta get it the long one.
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anya. Happy birthday to you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless Anya. May the dear Lord bless you. No, Hialita. No, Hialita. No, Hialita. No, Hialita. No, Hialita. No, Hialita. No, Hialita.
Okay. What did you wish for?
Okay.
Anya, flat what color flower?
The pink one, please.
How big of a piece do you want?
Not that big, I'm full.
How about this?
Yeah, probably like the whole.
Yeah.
Super distance.
Oh, it's probably raspberry.
Chocolate.
Oh, fresh piece of this.
You don't be sliding the cake.
Yeah.
So bad in the cakes.
Oh.
Oh,
I have a
raspberry.
Oh, did you know what kind of cake it was or no?
No.
So we low-key guessed it correctly because our guesses together was what it was.
Yeah. I didn't know Mariana had this camera.
Oh really? She low-key has two.
Who else wants a piece?
What? Wow. Look at that. Oh, I have a little.
Yeah. What? I wouldn't mind, but I also really appreciate ours better.
Guys, that took literally 4 hours.
Wait, can I have my money, please?
Queen system. It is so aesthetic. Okay. What's that sound? Is that the this? Or is that the TV?
I can't wait for summer because roses aren't bloom in summer. I finished eating my snack now, my sweet treat, and I'm going to write the poem now on my iPad. she's done. I'm very happy with the margins. I was scared because when you saw it, the top had a lot more than the bottom, and the bottom had hardly any, so I was scared that it wouldn't fit in here. And then there'd be too much at the top and be disproportionate. I have to like cut some off, but it actually turned out very well. I feel like it's very balanced. The feel like tilts a little down just due to my typewriter having bad settings and it's like a little broken, but I like it. I think it's very pretty. It's also pretty.
It's not doing anything.
And then does it? Oh, that's cool. Here, from here.
Oh, it's looking up. Oh, that's good.
Here. Like this?
And it's not spinning.
And that's the farthest it goes. Oh, but I have to. Yeah.
I think the wood's kind of classy.
Yeah.
That's like a.
Oh, Vivian. This is meant to be my job. Stabilize.
What if you scare him if he changes colors?
Oh, you could try.
No.
No.
Cool too.
Yeah, it would just be so humid it'd ruin our hair.
Makeup.
Have to record it all because soon we won't live here and then we'll forget what it looks like. Yeah. Where? Oh, duck.
Looking to another lad. Like this little head goes up.
Me too. I'm actually so happy we're doing this today.
Me too. It's really nice.
Yeah. I feel a lot better about all the wedding stuff too.
There's a bunch of them down here that are colored.
Where?
Right in here.
Oh, in the bushes.
They're cuties.
We are cuties. I should have brought the digi today. I don't think that we'd have such a... Oh. Did you ever see the giant turtle at the Cleveland Zoo? How old is that one? It's probably like over 100 years old. This one doesn't move. Oh, cute. That's really cute. Nice. I know. You like. This is so cute. Wow.
It's just like a baby tree.
Yeah, it's so skinny. Is that a cow?
I wonder why it's bubbly there.
What is it?
I wonder why it's bubbly there.
The wind, maybe?
No.
Oh, I see in the very center. What is it? Okay.